There are loads of different movie and TV shows applications on your Fire Stick, but the majority of them actually and honestly suck. But today I'll show you how to get this amazing app which has loads of content, including the movies which are only available in movie theaters. The app is totally free to use and should work on any Amazon Fire Stick device, as well as Android TV or Google TV devices. And the very first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. To do so, we open a search bar on the device and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on Downloader right here below, and there's that orange application, which you'll need to get to your device. But then after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader now, we are going into settings right here, open them. Then we need to go to My Fire TV. After that, we'll have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, and then go into installation of unknown apps. From here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and just turn the option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we have returned back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick, and there's the Downloader, which we have got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Luxembourg right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we head back to a list of apps on your device. Now let's locate Downloader and finally open it up. So we open the application. Now here at the top, there's a search bar, which you need to open. And then enter the code to get the app to your device. So the code is going to be 243447. Once again, it is 243447. That's basically the whole code you have to enter. Then just click on next. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app should start. Yep, and usually that takes just a couple of seconds. Now let me move my camera a bit below so you would see that installation button that has appeared. So when you click on it, the app will be installed to your device in just a couple of seconds. Then click Done, and this way you get that option to delete the unnecessary files from your device, which is pretty important. So click on Delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. Then we return back to a list of apps on your device, and here you will find this new application which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to hold down the middle button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So just hold down the middle button on the remote, and the menu will appear on the right side. Click on Move to Front, and that way the app will be at the very beginning of your application list. Just of course, before using such apps, never forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and anonymous. And if you don't have a VPN yet, don't forget to use my link below this video to get 3 months of Nord free of charge. So enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.